have a rectangular garden that's 3 times as long as it is wide. The perimeter is 48 feet. What are the dimensions of the garden? So on this problem, we definitely want to draw a picture. So we've got the garden. We know we've got the width. Now it's 3 times as long as it is wide. Well, if it's 3 times, that kind of tells us exactly what to do. 3 times W. It's 3 times whatever that value ends up being. Now, when we're talking perimeter, we're adding all 4 sides up. One way I remember, I think of the police shows where they're like, secure the perimeter. Well, that's the outer fence. We need to make sure that outer part is all added up. So you can either add W plus 3W plus 3W. One way I like to do it is I know I'm just going to have 2 times W. I have 2 of those plus 2 times 3W, and that all will add up to 48. Okay, so now I can just simplify. I get 2W plus 2 times 3W is 6W equals 48. 2W plus 6W is 8W equals 48. I divide by 8 on each side, so W equals 6. So then I know the width is going to be 6 feet. Well, if the width is 6 feet, the length was supposed to be 3 times whatever that was, so 3 times 6, I'll get 18 feet for the length. Now let's just check and make sure that all works out. So 18 plus 6 and 18 plus 6. So 18 plus 6 is 24, 24 plus 24 is 48, so we can see that these 2 answers are right. There are definitely other ways to solve it. This is the way that I like to do it, but just make sure you have a way that you understand and can consistently work each time.